Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with PayPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest with PayPal, start by opening the PayPal app or visiting the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, make sure to create one. Once logged in, look for the Invest tab on the home page. Click on the Invest tab to explore your investment options. You will find several investing options, including stocks and cryptocurrency. Select the investment type you are interested in. For stocks, tap on the stock option to view available companies. You can search for specific stocks by entering the company name or ticker symbol. Once you find a stock you want to invest in, click on it for more details. Review the stock information, including the current price and market trends. Decide how much money you want to invest in that stock. Enter your investment amount in the designated field. Next, confirm your investment by reviewing the details. If everything looks correct, click on the Buy button to complete. For cryptocurrency, select the cryptocurrency option instead of stocks. Browse through the available cryptocurrencies you can invest in. Choose the cryptocurrency you are interested in by clicking on it. Review its current price and market performance. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy. Confirm the transaction details before proceeding. Click the Buy button to finalize your cryptocurrency investment. After your purchase, you can track your investments through the PayPal app or website. Check your portfolio regularly to monitor performance and make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.